Hi everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the new circular which is released by CBSE on 5th July 2021. So this circular is mainly focusing on the pandemic situation because due to the pandemic 2020-21 year board exams have been cancelled. So hence if this situation prevails, what had to be done, that is what is insisted in the circular. They insisted that the exam will be conducted in two terms, term 1 and 2, each with 50% of the syllabus approximately, and there are various other details given. Let me put all them together. So the syllabus for 21 and 22 academic year will be rationalized. Even though there was reduced syllabus available last year, we will be using that reduced syllabus which was released last year. We will be using till the new rationalized syllabus released. Then the efforts will be made to make the internal assessment project practical work more credible and valid, so that a moderation policy will be released. So two things have to be released by the CBSE board. One is the rationalized syllabus, other one is the moderation policy, that is the guidelines for internal assessment and other work. Okay, then coming to grade 9 and 10, you could see that there will be 3 periodic tests apart from term 1 and 2, and there will be student enrichment activities, portfolio making and practical work, speaking and listening activity and project. All these will be done, and this is something similar to what we have during the time where the CBSE had FA1, FA2, FA3, FA4 exams, that is formative assessments and summative assessment. At that times we had such similar activities. Okay, then coming to class 11 and 12, apart from term 1 and 2, there is going to be internal assessment in the form of unit end test, end of topic test or unit test, exploratory activities, practicals and projects. So we are aware of practical and projects, either both are there or any one is there as per the subject you have chosen already. Unit test is something new. We used to conduct them in the schools earlier, like in the form of midterm or term exams like that. It wasn't internal activity at the time. Now it is made as an internal assessment activity. So internal assessment through that has to be done. Other thing, since we are doing everything online, all these have to be digitalized, and even though you sent your paper to us, it has to be stored, and evidence need to be provided whenever CBSE asks for it. So students, you have to be well aware that if you are doing well in the exams, you are going to get good marks. So whenever there is an internal assessment activity is happening, either the unit test, project or practical, do well in them so that you can score well, and you give your full effort to score well. Okay, so coming to term 1 examination, we don't know when the pandemic will be over, we will go to school and all. Hence they have given us options like the term 1 examination will be conducted in the month of November to December. Depending on the country where we are living, the 4 to 8 weeks window period will be given, because there are various CBSE schools in abroad also, and the date will be notified for those examinations. Usually this examination, term 1, is going to be a 90 minutes test, which means it is going to happen for 1.5 an hour only, and it is going to be kind of MCQ paper. You will have MCQ, case-based MCQ. Case-based MCQ is something new which was introduced last year, where there is a paragraph given describing a case or scenario, and you will have MCQ questions under that related to the topic will be given. Okay, so you need to have the clear understanding of the topic what is given, because it is not a comprehensive type where you don't pick the answer from the paragraph given. Sometimes it could be there, sometimes it won't. So clear understanding of the case or the scenario is required. Pre-knowledge is must. Okay, so coming to the next one, you can have assertion reason type of question. I think since last year all these things were made familiar to the students. So you will get 1.5 an hour to solve the paper. You will be given with the OMR sheet for marking the answers. Either these OMR sheets will be sent to CBSE board, or sent to the CBSE board by after scanning them, or the evaluation will be done in the school, then the marks will be submitted in the CBSE portal. Any one thing as per the requirement, as per the scenario existing, will be done. And for these exam, if it is conducted in the campus, there will be a supervisor, and it will be completely like board exam, like you will have external supervisor, all those stuffs and all. Okay, so coming to term 2 will be a 2-hour exam. 2-hour exam, you will have question paper, theory paper. Okay, it could be open-ended short questions, long questions, or case-based short questions and all. Okay, case-based in the sense a scenario will be given where you will be answering the questions which are asked based on the scenario given. That is closed-end question. Open-ended question is like what we have done so far, like questions will be thrown at you in a different level and you will be answering them. Okay, so the term 2 exam is also for 50% of the syllabus only. Usually it is going to happen in the month of March, April. Okay, if pandemic situation still exists, then it is going to be a 90-minute MCQ paper. That depends on the situation, whatever is happening. So both term 1 and term 2 marks are going to be considered for your final exam. What if different situation happens? For that also they have given some suggestions, like if term 1 is happening online, not in the school, not in the expected manner for the board exam, then term 2 weightage will be more if term 2 is happening in the school. So it is like whichever is happening in the school in a regular manner, in the regular board exam conduction manner, then that weightage will be more in the overall syllabus than the one which is happening in the offline. Which means that CBSE doesn't trust the students. Obviously, that is true. There are so many sources available. There are students who are manipulating, cheating, or all those activities are happening. Kindly excuse me for saying that. But this is happening since that CBSE has come out with such kind of things. Right? Okay. It is like you have to learn on your own and write your exams. That is what is expected basically. Okay, so these are the things as of now. Any changes required, they will intimate. That is what is the thing they have told. If term 1 is happening in the you are writing the exams from home, term 2 will have more weightage. If term 2 you are writing on the home and term 1 in the school, then term 1 will have more weightage. If both are happening at home, then they have to see and decide, and they have given a hint that the more importance will be given in that case internal assessments and all. So for everything evidence is required, which means that you cannot simply go around and get marks. So make sure you do everything properly. Thank you.